Select the Activity and Resources report. Make your choices and generate the report. Access the Resources page. Add the level of work phases. Group resources according to work phases. Select the types of resources to view. Obtain requirements data for each resource and sort it by work phases.